Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. Well, there are plenty looking forward to seeing this. A capacity crowd here.
Well, in the note,
Bernardo Silva with a definite foul there. And here's Lukaku. Brozovic. That's an untidy challenge. Free kick given. De Bruyne. That's a decent ball. And it's De Bruyne. Lukaku. Brozovic. Çalhanoğlu. Just brushed off the ball there. Chance! Seems now to be all about width.
well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
Great leap! Oh, just couldn't turn it in.
I have to commend the wing play, but I have to condemn the defending. They've got to stop the cross.
It's Casemiro. A really good feat. It's a decent looking cross. Tierney. Well, they could break here. Sancho just goes for goal! A real chance and a real let-off.
Manchester United just served up a reminder of how good they can be on the break. Their method is clear.
Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, the ball's come loose. Knocks it away. Ball's out once more. Casemiro. Plays it back. Offside, yes it is.